Okay, so what we have here is the FISPA fuel pump that is used in 275s and 330s. And we've gone through it and cleaned up the points, put new diaphragm, surfaced all of the pull-throughs on the laminates here. And then this is, of course, our plumbing. It's not original Ferrari plumbing, but it suffices for a test. So we're running actual real fuel through this, and after our rebuild, this is what we've got. So go ahead and turn it on, Matt. And this thing's got great volume and pressure.
I'm gonna close it.
And so he's going to close the return valve here so that the spring inside of the pump gives us the total fuel pressure. And so, you know, we're up there, whatever that is, between 6 and 9 there. And this is a little bit high for Weber carburetors. However, these cars do have a fuel pressure regulator in the system, in the fuel rail that goes to the engine. So this pressure will be down to maybe 3 or what have you by the fuel pressure regulator in the system. But go ahead and open the valve, and here we go again. So obviously, when these are essentially the carburetor float valves, and they need a little more fuel, and now they don't, and now they do, and that's how it works. So we're very happy with the pressure and the volume on this unit. We're going to do a little paint work for it, a little cosmetics, and get this thing out today. Thank you very much.